Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I am here with another gorgeous bridal eye makeup tutorial. Recently, I shared with you another bridal makeup tutorial where I used all neutral tones and you guys loved that video so much. So I just decided to do another one. But this time I decided to go with some cool toned eyeshadows because I rarely do cool toned looks here on my channel, and this time I just opted for a cool toned brown like halo cut crease eye look, and this can be a perfect look for any outfit that you will be wearing on your big day. So yeah, before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Nita. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, and if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. First, I'm taking this Wet n Wild Incognito concealer in the shade medium neutral, and I am cleaning up the borders on my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. Then I'll be applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows. That is coming up next. This concealer just works perfectly for me as an eyeshadow primer. It just does not crease easily. It covers up my like darkness on my eyelid, and it is just perfection for me. You can use any concealer that works for you. And now I am taking my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 15 light, and I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. I'm applying these eyeshadow shields which I got from Amazon, and now I am using my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, the iconic Jaclyn Hill palette. And first I'm taking the shade called Creamsicle. It is a beautiful mustard yellow shade, and I'm just warming up my crease using this Cara Beauty blending brush. This is the K17 brush, and I am using back and forth motion as well as circular motion. And yeah, I'm just slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. You know that drill, right? If you watch any of my tutorial, you must know how I blend my eyeshadows. And now I am taking the shade called Putter. It is kind of a neutral toned shadow. It is not too warm, it's not too cool either, and I'm applying it on my crease, and just to give my crease a little more like gradient effect and a little more depth. And I switched to a different brush because that brush was not doing it for me, so I just decided to use another brush. And again, I'm just slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. And guys, I just posted a poll on my community tab asking you if you want me to create a tutorial in Hindi or not. Please do vote. Please let me know what you guys want so that I can make videos as per your request. And now I am taking the shade called Mocha. It is a beautiful like cool toned brown shade, matte brown shade, and I'm applying it on my outer V area, on my inner corner, and then I'll be connecting those two corners through my crease. And the brush that I'm using is Morphe M456 brush. And again, I'm just slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. In case you are planning to do your own bridal makeup, in case you think that, oh, everything is blended, but I always advise you just take that extra minute and blend everything again and again and again, because trust me, when you look at your wedding photos, you do not want to see patchy eyeshadows. So just take that extra minute and blend it out properly. Now I am taking this shade called Central Park. It is a beautiful cool toned, dark deep cool toned brown shade, and I'm just repeating the previous step here. That means I am first applying it on my outer V area, on my inner corner, and then I am just connecting those two corners through my crease. Now it's time to cut the crease, and for that I am using this lip brush from Pune store, and with the same concealer I'm just cutting the center part of my eyelid, and I'm placing the concealer a little bit higher than usual because I have hooded eyes. You can see my natural crease right across my eyelid, so I'm just creating a false crease for myself. If you do not have hooded eyes, then you can place the concealer directly on your crease, and if you are a beginner and if you want to skip this step, it is totally fine. In that case, just go with the lid shade directly and it will look just perfect. And now I am just blending out the edges of that concealer so that blending becomes easier later on. This step is super duper important. Do not skip it. Otherwise, when you apply your lid shade, there will be a stark demarcation and it does not look cute. Taking the shade called Mocha, I am applying it between the concealer and that dark brown shade just to create a gradient effect. Now I am taking this beautiful shimmery gold shade called Queen. It is a cool toned shimmery gold shade and I'm applying it on top of the concealer, basically on the center part of my concealer, and for that I'm using this flat shader brush again from Morphe. And now I am taking my e.l.f. liquid glitter eyeshadow in the shade 24K Gold and I am just applying it on the border of the cut crease first just to define it further, and you can see the difference it just instantly made. And the eyeliner brush that I'm using is again from Morphe. And then I'm applying the same eyeshadow on the center part of my eyelid. First I'm just stamping it and then I'm just blending it out using my finger, just tapping it right like that so that it does not become patchy. Taking my Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel eyeliner in the shade Blackest Black, I'm just drawing a regular wing here, and for that I'm using the same eyeliner brush from Morphe. And I actually have two eyeliner brushes from Morphe. One I use for my eyeliners and one I use for my liquid glitter eyeliner. Now I'm just outlining my eyes using my Milani Stay Put eyeliner in the shade After Dark. This is basically a jet black kajal pencil. And now I am smudging out my entire lower lash line using the shade called Mocha. This will just give my eyes a little smokiness. And now I am blending out the edges of the previous shade using the shade called Creamsicle, which was the mustard like matte yellow shade. I am highlighting the inner corners of my eyes as well as my brow bones using my Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter. Now I'm just elongating the inner corner of my eyeliner and I am just creating a V shape here, so it will just give my eyes a bigger, wider looking appearance. You can see the difference it just instantly made. Now I'm curling my lashes using my eyelash curler and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara. For my falsies, I will be using these Gala lashes off camera, and here is the completed eye look. I truly loved the way how the entire look came together. Again, you can pair this look with any outfit. In case you are a wedding guest and you want to rock this look, you totally can. So it is a very versatile look according to me. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. It will mean a lot to me, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links along with all the products that I used in today's video will be listed in the description box down below. So yes, see you soon in my next tutorial. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.